guys, so I am sitting at work right now waiting for my husband to pick me up. We had a short day today because of a snowstorm that hit this morning. Yeah, we had a snowstorm, so a lot of our customers canceled and rescheduled. So yeah, sitting here waiting for him to get here. And then I gotta go pick up my kids and hopefully they'll drop my ring off. Oh, guys, I didn't even show you my ring. I got a ring for Valentine's Day. And I want to take it and get it sized. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. I got this ring for Valentine's Day. Isn't it pretty? Yeah. Yeah, so I gotta take that to get it sized. So I was hoping he would get here somewhat early so I can go get that sized. And I'm missing a nail. I need to get them fixed and filled. But I haven't had the money. So I think I'm going to try and go Saturday after I get off work. Yeah. I'm sleepy. So yeah, it's been a busy day. It wasn't like too crazy. We didn't have like a whole ton of dogs, but we had quite a few. So tomorrow is going to be even more busy, as long as they don't cancel. But school was canceled today because of the snowstorm. There was actually a emergency snow issued in certain areas, and actually quite a few of the roads were closed and part of the highway was closed. So yeah, it was no fun. It was no fun. So I'm like just sitting here and waiting for him to get here. Hopefully he'll get here soon so I can go, and I'm hoping to get, like I said, my ring sized. And whatnot. Yeah, so busy. Sorry I haven't been making much videos. I've been really busy, and it's a pain because I have to like upload them from my phone. Because I'm still not able to get my office set up and whatnot. I'm still waiting to be able to do that. So yeah, it's busy. Yeah. So, alright guys, well I'm gonna go because he will hopefully be here soon and I can go. It would be nice to go get my ring sized today. That'd be great. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go and I will see you guys soon. Toodles.